In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw or deposit DOGS airdrop tokens to your Binance account. Following these steps will ensure a smooth transaction and help you avoid potential issues. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once there, locate the sign in button and enter your account credentials. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Here, look for the search bar, usually situated at the top of the page. Type in DOGS token to check if it is supported on the platform. If the token appears in the search results, confirm the correct contract and review the supported networks carefully. This is crucial because if the DOGS token is not supported, any deposits made will not work and you risk losing your tokens. Next, you will need to either deposit or withdraw the DOGS tokens. If you are depositing, find and click on the wallet option, then select deposit. This will take you to the deposit page where you can copy your unique Binance deposit address. Alternatively, if you are withdrawing, click on withdraw in the same wallet section, prepare an external wallet address for the withdrawal. It is essential to choose the correct blockchain network that corresponds with the DOGS token. Enter the amount you wish to deposit or withdraw carefully, as this will impact your transaction. Additionally, take a moment to review any fees and limits associated with the transaction. Confirm all details before proceeding to ensure accuracy. Once you've submitted your deposit or withdrawal, monitor the transaction status on the blockchain. This may take some time depending on network congestion and the chosen blockchain. Wait for the appropriate number of confirmations to ensure the transaction is processed successfully. After the expected confirmations, check your Binance wallet balance to see if the tokens have arrived or if the withdrawal was completed. It is advisable to save the transaction hash for your records, as this can be useful for tracking the transaction or addressing any issues that may arise. If any problems occur during this process, such as delays or discrepancies in your token balance, consider contacting Binance support for assistance. Avoid repeating transfers unnecessarily, as this can complicate the situation further. This step is vital to confirm that your transaction has been completed successfully and to maintain a clear record of your activities. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.